Hi, my name is Skylar. I am 6 years old. Welcome to my channel. I like to make videos of what I do. My mommy and daddy help me. Please follow along so I can have all of you as my friends. Let's go on a new adventure. My mommy and daddy took me to the Polar Express, and I'm sleeping. But look at all of these trains ahead. Look, trains, and even, I think I just saw that house just lit up. Look at the barn. Look, there's another train over there. And there is two. Look at this fair. Look, there's all sorts of different things on here. And look how big it is. And here it is. This is the train that I went on. This was the Polar Express that I got on. In this video, we're walking toward it right now. In a couple seconds on this video, I was almost still sleeping, but I'm awake. But I was awake. Here we are on the train. And this is when the train was starting to go. And I even got a golden ticket since we were going on the Polar Express. And they even punched it, just like in the movie. Like and subscribe to this video, and write the number 10 if you saw the Polar Express movie. And this is now when the hot chocolate started. And I really liked it. Yeah. When he's saying we got it. And everything I heard was just, we got it. And oh look, and I got a cookie, and I love cookies. That makes me want to have the leftover of that cookie. Where is that? Okay.
You're eating the cookie.
That cookie was delicious. And the hot chocolate as well.
You get to keep that mug.
And we still have that mug. Maybe in one of my next videos, I could show it. And you know to like and subscribe to that one too. And ooh.
Thank you.
And here we are. We got to the North Pole here. We got to see Santa here. And it was crazy. Now he's coming. This is when Santa came. Everybody was cheering all day or all night because it's nighttime.
Well, you're all in luck tonight. Santa is on board.
I don't know what my dad's doing. So, look how much everybody is clapping, and then I still remember when there was a lot of bell ringing. I almost, yep, look, there's Santa right up ahead. Right after this, he came in right next to me. This is right now. And he gave me the bell. I still have that bell, and I almost see it everywhere I go. I was ringing it a lot after I got that bell.
Santa's sitting next to you.
Here it is. Like I was telling you, Santa came right next to me. Look, I don't know what my dad's doing.
Funny doing that.
I don't know what he's doing still. Now that looks better. And now here we are, back at the train station.
There it is.
I pressed a lot of these buttons and made a lot of lights happen. But I guess that's one of the end of our videos.
Nope, it's not. It's still going.
Okay, I don't know if it's dance.
So finish explaining the rest.
Yeah.
Say my mom is going to
Don't care.
Now,
Doesn't care.
now my mom is going to continue about the Polar Express and what's happening here.
And one fun surprise we didn't expect, we learned that Heinz ketchup was actually first discovered in Medina. So of course that made this stop extra exciting for Skylar, especially since he loves ketchup, or as he calls it, his hot sauce. Before heading out, make sure to take some time to explore the Medina Railroad Museum, which is part of the Polar Express experience and such a hidden gem, especially for kids who love trains. Inside, you'll find historic railcars, model train displays, railroad artifacts, and interactive exhibits that really bring railway history to life. It's all indoors, warm, and easy to walk through. A great way to slow down and enjoy the experience without feeling rushed. If you're planning to book the Polar Express in Medina, tickets are sold in advance and do sell out, especially on weekends and evening rides. You'll want to book directly through the Medina Railroad Museum's official website, where you can choose your date, time, and seating options. Plan for the entire experience to take about an hour to an hour and a half, including boarding, the train ride, and time at the station. And arrive early, dress warmly, and leave a little extra time so you can enjoy the museum before or after the ride. It's such a magical holiday experience, especially for younger kids, and truly feels like stepping right into the story. They also encourage everyone to wear pajamas, which makes the whole experience even more fun. Skylar wore his Polar Express PJs with cozy thermals underneath to stay warm. And to end the night, we headed to Avanti Pizza and Wood-Fired Kitchen, where we shared the most delicious pizza with gigantic slices and filled our tummies after such a magical evening.